into this. Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to Orlando Morales TV. As always, as usual, I'm your host Orlando, bringing you the funny, the informative, the style, everything. Good morning everybody. How is everyone doing today? Hope everyone is okay. You know, I'm doing pretty good. I feel pretty pumped for this video. I'm excited for this one, guys. I'm excited because this is a informative video that I have for you. Today I'm gonna be talking about a little brand called Chemistry. It's a brand that I think either works with Walmart or Walmart owns the brand. I don't know, I tried to do some research into Chemistry. To my knowledge, that's what it looks like. It looks like either Walmart owns them. But before I talk a little bit more about Chemistry, first things first, I love you guys. I really do. I just love to say that I try my best in every video to pretty much express my gratitude and my love for you guys, because I really do. I love y'all. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Join the network, Orlando Morales TV. It is good for you. Also, hit the like button and turn on your post notification. And also, follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Yeah, so subscribe, like, post notification, follow me. All right, we're good with all that stuff, all right? So something about Chemistry that I've noticed, looks like their trend of all their clothes is tie-dye. You can find them at Walmart. The cool thing about them too, like they're not folded up, because you know how you go to some places and you have like graphic tees and they're folded up, and then when you take it out, it's wrinkled and it just doesn't look that clean and crisp. Well, not Chemistry. Chemistry hangs up their clothes. They have them in hangers, and when you go buy them, they give you the hangers too, which I appreciate 100% because I do not like folding my clothes. I like to hang them up into my closet. Super affordable too. Like they're only $8. $8 for this nice ass t-shirts. Like they're super stylish, I'm telling you guys. I'm about to show you all the shirts that I got from them. I know I'm kind of gassing it up, I'm hyping it up a little bit. It's facts, like these shirts are clean. So ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, let's talk about Chemistry, man. These are Chemistry graphic tees that I got at Walmart. Let's get into it. Alrighty guys, so what I did for this outfit right here, so I paired the tie-dye alien t-shirt with these Champion sweats that I got off of Hypeland. These are very comfortable. I love these sweats. I've had them for a very long time. Super dope, super clean. You know, I just love how, you know, this style is comfortable. It's stylish, it's cool, and it goes really well together, I think so. So this is the style that I got for you guys. Alrighty guys, this is look number 2. So I got this super lit ass shirt right here. It's Chasing Dreams with the butterfly. I love the color of the butterfly that's on there, you feel me? Like it looks cool. I teamed this up with some slim black jeans that I got at H&M, you know, shout out H&M. And I just really like how, you know, this look makes, like, you know, has the baggy look, you know, have the t-shirt. It's a little baggy, but I like that. That's my style, you know. Let's move on to the next one. Alrighty guys, I got the next look for you. This one I'm actually really excited about because this shirt is probably my favorite out of the whole collection. I paired it with some Levi's jeans that I have that I got them from a thrift store. But like I said, bro, this shirt is so cool, bro. I love the work of art because, you know, that's how I see myself. I view myself as a beautiful piece of art that has not been completed yet. I really love this shirt. Like this one has to be, like I said, my favorite one. Alrighty guys, and last but not least, this is a final look that I put together.
Got the Positive Energy tee right here. Paired these with these kind of like athletic wear sweats that I got at Aeropostale. Think it looks really good with the t-shirt. It complements the colors very well.
Alrighty guys, that's the end of the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Chemistry right there, that's a brand that you can find at Walmart. They're very affordable, they're super comfortable, and they're stylish as well. Go with pretty much anything that you want to construct into your mind when it comes to regarding outfits or anything like that. So I really highly recommend this brand. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, join the network, Orlando Morales TV, road to 200 subscribers. And I know we can reach that. That's gonna be the goal. Hopefully we can accomplish that this year. If not, the next year, that's the top of the list, man. We're gonna go ahead and tackle that 200 subs. Turn on your post notifications, like the video, follow me on Instagram at It's Just Orlando Morales, and also at TikTok, which I'll have all of that in the description down below. Catch you in the next fashion related video, because like I said, Papa got a whole lot of drip, man. Every time I step in my closet, I got a rain jacket, I got some rain boots, shit, I even got a kayak on standby, just in case if it gets too overwhelming that I can't walk in there, because I don't want to drown. I'll catch you in the next video. Deuces.
Oh yes, Daddy.